with a finger to my lips. I can't explain how much I love this girl.
Music making love in harmony. My melody and your energy sounds like sweet and soul.
Sounds like what?
Through the night, whispering in my ear, we'll sing the song we wanna hear. Sounds like sweet and soul.
Sounds like what? My favorite sound is the sound of strong affection, warm attachment, bodies contacting. I know you feel the excitement of these compassionate actions of lovers get involved in. And if we have a problem, we speak face to face and start solving. In this relationship, I put my all into you, extending intensely inside. You just fill me with pride. It's so hard for me to hide the sensibility that you hear in these melodies. That's a gift that help us to make that emotional shift into another galaxy. Our souls harmonize and my minds let you old musical over zones overload and my heart driving while I share my life with you. And tonight let's do what we like to do. It's like
music making love in harmony. My melody and your energy sounds like sweet and soul.
Sounds like what?
Through the night, whispering in my ear, we'll sing the song we wanna hear. Sounds like sweet and soul. Sounds like
yeah, you know the thing that shit. It's like
music making love in harmony. My melody and your energy sounds like sweet and soul. Sounds like through the night, whispering in my ear, we'll sing the song we wanna hear. Sounds like sweet and soul. Sounds like
it's like